Ding, ding, ding! Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, it's Justin here, and today I just bought myself a new keyboard here, ladies and gentlemen. So, I just purchased this in the shop right off the bat, and then I just think that it's a pretty good keyboard, so I just purchased it because I want it. And then, first of all, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do some review and unboxing in this video, as you guys take a look here. And, yeah, so today we are about to take a look at the Warwolf V10. It's a mechanical keyboard. So for those who don't know what is a mechanical keyboard, so a mechanical keyboard is some sort of like a normal keyboard, but uses some sort of mechanical switches, like the Cherry MX switches, which I'm going to tell you guys later on the video. So normal keyboard uses a membrane to push out the keyboard itself, but this one uses a mechanical switches, so it has a better click and a better response to it. So you don't need to click you don't need to click the switches all the way if you want to move. Example, the WASD for gaming. So if you want to move, you don't really need to just press a little bit, it already responded. So that's what a mechanical keyboard is. So yeah, this is the Warwolf V10. It's a mechanical keyboard. It's really great. So let's do some unboxing here. It's my first time opening up the box and doing stuff. A lot of people complain that I open up the box before I do some unboxing, which is #Rebox, but no, this one is pure, ladies and gentlemen, just for showing you guys. So first of all, here we have Warwolf, kind of like a wolf logo type of thing. I don't really know anything. What I care is not the brand or whatever. I care about the mechanical keyboard that I have here. V10 embodied here, mechanical keyboard with this really unique. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like a mechanical dinosaur thing, though. Really amazing. So it has a black box here. The box is not looking at the best shape whatsoever. V10 Warwolf, right? So let's take a look in the side. Nothing, just shows Warwolf V10 mechanical keyboard. When you turn to the back of the keyboard, you have a little bit of specifications. As you guys take a look there, some specifications, blah blah blah. Has different option of colors if you want. I don't know if you guys want to read that. So we have Warwolf.co.id, made in China, of course. So this keyboard is available, I don't know, in your online store. Has a USB 3.0. Has also a good switches here. I think it has the. Let's take a look there. So let me know here. I think it contains a Cherry MX mechanical white switches, but we're gonna take a look at that later. But here is the actual look of the keyboard, but just in the back of the box, not in the box. So first of all, I am going to open this in one hand, which is kind of hard for me, but hopefully it's not gonna be too complicated to unbox this in one hand. I'm just saying here. So, by the way, guys, I'm really sorry for a couple of weeks that I don't record any videos or lack of video. That is because I have like final exams to move up to my grade 8, so I need to learn there, which is really nice. So here, first of all, here we have the actual keyboard. There's nothing too much about the unboxing. It's just a plain box with a keyboard. Of course, even though you bought a Razer or a SteelSeries keyboard, everything is just like plain. Nothing too special about keyboard unboxing, right? So, see here. We got the cable, yes. It's also braided. You guys take a look there. It's braided, so it is not easily to be, broken. So here is really nice braided cable. I'm just saying this is a high quality keyboard here. It's not some keyboard that you bought usually in a garbage can. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is not ordinary keyboard. You cannot like find this in like every keyboard places. So this is a mechanical keyboard, which is really nice. So let's get this thing out first. Oh my god, it is really heavy. Wow. I'm not really sure what it is, but it seems like it's like 1 kilogram. Really super heavy. There's nothing else, just this card here shows you Warwolf warranty card. Be a gamer, be a winner. Show you the warranty card here. You can send them back to the Warwolf company. There is the Warwolf company, by the way. By the way, I'll link Warwolf website in the description below. As you guys take a look there, nothing else except what the heck is this. I'm not really sure what that is, but let's go and just move up the box because we don't need the box. We got the main event. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for the moment of truth? Are you ready for the moment of truth? Right. Let's get the keyboard out. So this is a mechanical keyboard again, guys. So you guys might seem... So for those who don't know mechanical keyboard, you have that tactile feedback from it, but it also has this really, really loud sound coming out from this keyboard. So far, okay, keyboard is really nice. You guys take a look there. This is the main keyboard. Let me just take a look at that. Man, this is really nice. Let me just get my first click. Oh my god, that is really nice. You guys take a look at that. That is really loud as well. So yeah, that's really loud. And then if you take one of the switches off, it's not a membrane keyboard. You guys take a look there. It has a Cherry MX white switches. Really nice, I guess. I'm pretty sure it's really nice. And it's really, really, really high. You guys take a look there. It's like a high-profile keyboard. Also has a backlit, so I'm gonna show you guys that later on. But first of all, we are about to... Let's see here. In the back of the keyboard, it's just plain, but man, this is right here. This is made of metal. Let me just show you guys why this is made of metal. Let me just grab the box and show you why I said that this is from metal. It does not show anything, but I believe this is metal. I check out their websites. This is pure metal. This is pure metal, ladies and gentlemen. You want to break this? Well, go ahead. Up here, it's just a main plastic and some warranty sticker. Warwolf mechanical keyboard, V10 voltage, current 5V/50 mA, C and FC, and then here the product is stuff. Let me just focus that real quick. That ain't focusing. So whatever, that ain't focus. So let's go and move on to the next product. I mean the next part of the review. Here we have a rubber feet, which is really nice. So far, I'm liking the keyboard. Plus, it has this braided keyboard, which is, braided cables, so it means that it has these strong boundaries of life. I'm just saying. So, I'm going to grab my laptop real quick, and we are going to see if this thing sets really. Let me just set this up really quickly. Be right back. Right then, guys. So, when I just turn on my ASUS laptop, it just has this blue LED coming out of the actual keyboard. That's a nice blue LED right there. No, it's loading. What? It's off! Help! It's off! I think it's loading somehow. I'm not sure though. But yeah, there you go. The blue's back. So you can change color. Really nice. So I learned a couple of things. So you can change color of this. This is 3 color, but later on I'm going to show you guys a couple of great tips and tricks of this. So let's put this on red. So if you go to FN and then go to page up, it will this is a 3-stage brightening level. So that's 1, that's number 2, that's number 3. So it gets really light. And if you go real quick to press FN plus this little light button, is will having this RGB turn. Not RGB like the chroma looking. Has 3 colors, so it's really nice. Let me just turn that off real quick. Turn it to blue. So far, man, this is really nice. The mechanical switches is really nice. That's my favorite part. The mechanical switches is also pretty loud, and that is a great LED. You guys take a look there across the keyboard. And here you have like this little spring that brings onto the space bar. So that brings a little bit of tactile feedback. So I'm just saying, for typing, this is like the top of the line. You guys take a look here as well on the sides of the keyboard. You guys take a look here. It has different spacing levels. Like this is a little bit higher than this one. So it means that it has this really cool mechanical switches as well. This goes like that. So brings a little bit of tactile feedback too. So this keyboard so far is really nice. I really like the keyboard. like, you don't need to press the keyboard till that. You just press this little bit keyboard, or it takes some feedback to it, which is really, really amazing. I really like this. You can just change that. We'll look at that. RGB illumination. Nope. You can change this to blue, red, pink, which is really great. So for typing, we should do some typing test here. If I can get my document ready. There we go. We're getting that ready. Alright, so let's see here. Oh god. Too many feedback. I don't even press the 0. I think I'm in just like pressing that like that. It'll register. That's really nice. If I can like it register everything that I write. So if I type Minecraft with one hand is the best game in the world. Whatever. At least it types, I'm just saying, you know. So far I like the keyboard. It has those mechanical white switches. It's pretty loud, but I can tell you, man, but who really cares, right? I'm playing my room. Except there's some, like, my mom and dad here. It's gonna be super noisy. That's how noisy it is when you're playing game or typing in general. That is super loud, but I think that's everything to be reviewed in this video. That really is cover up everything from the Warwolf V10. So far, I'm liking the keyboard. It's not the best keyboard in the world, but it's also pretty expensive. So, yeah, I guess this does not break my bank just yet. But, yeah, this has a pretty appreciable items. So, I really like the item, really. Like, this is my top of the line item I have. It does not really go super bright whatsoever, but, man, I think it is really nice. He has like a Republic of Gamers logo, like the black and red. The illumination is real as well. If you go real quick and just open up that real quick, or this one, that mechanical white switches is really, really nice. I'm just saying that. That mechanical switches as well, that is like a mechanical switches too, which is really great. That's how the mechanical switches work. And that is the switches. It has a super tactile feedback, which I am loving this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button as well, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.